Okay guys, so today we're gonna play some pistol shooting game, and I've never played kind of these games before. I've played Arsenal before, and yeah, well, it's kind of a different Arsenal type of game, you know. You have to one shot, you're going every time. Slide down here. Oh. No, stop. Oh my gosh, she's killing us literally! Oh, I hate it. I actually hate it. Why does it have that on there? Well, I tried to pick skin, bro. Oh my gosh. It's so bad. This looks like a super laggy game. If I was to turn this up, this would be very laggy. You can see how the wood changes before I put it down. Oh, how do you get to know what's here? That's what I'm talking about. That's what you get. That is what you get, boy. That is what you get. Okay, so can't jump. Come on, you're sub! I hate this. I actually hate this. No, why you gotta do that? Come on. Okay, I'll win in this. I just, bro, this. I'm winning this, okay? Where are you? Come on, you're so bad. Come on, you're bad. You're bad. You're bad. You're so bad. Oh my god. Why? Okay, I'm getting a warm up, guys. See, okay. We're back in another match, guys. We're winning this. Oh, idiot. Stand right there. You're dead, man. You're dead. How are you shooting me? Come on, how are you shooting me? What is this? Okay, I'm getting another match. Jefferson guy is going down, man. This Jefferson guy is going down. Ooh, where are you? Hi. We're back in the game, guys. We're back. We're so back. Come on. Where are? I'm jumping there. Oh. Hey, have fun with that. 4 more rounds and I'm rage quitting. If I don't win, oh my God, man! If I don't win, bro, stop shooting, man. You're so bad. Stop shooting. Wait, hey. Stop the lag. Makes it easier. Oh my God, how did I not hit? Oh my God. Come on. You're so bad. Come on. Whoa! You what the frick? How did you even? You're so bad. Oh, I hate it, man. I hate it. Come on. So bad. Hey. Out of nowhere. One more round. And if I don't win, oh my gosh. Thanks for the. Hey. Okay, hey, come here. Where are? Come on, where are? How did I not hit? You're so bad. Come on. How does it not? How does this not? No. Ain't happening. Move my screen. Oh, it's like on this stupid junk, bruh. Oh my God. So playing that game was just a piece of junk. Anyway guys, if you want to see more videos like that, or if you just like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye.